Hello friends, in this video I want to show you how we do our screw choke using the IMM gunmetal machine. Of course, the process starts with lubricating the mold. After lubricating the mold, we go and measure our POP and mix it with water, as you can see in the video. Then you make sure you stir this POP to make sure that it is fully dissolved in water. And of course, the next process is you get your POP and you start pouring it in the machine. When you're pouring the POP in the machine, make sure you distribute it very fast. Avoid it being solidified on top of the machine. So we do it very fast and make sure that all the holes are filled faster. You do this with extra care to avoid pouring of the POP outside the machine, but this process is very simple for anyone to do. Remember, we do training and sell machines to all our clients. We help you start this business with ease. We have everything that you need to start commercial screw choke production. So here you fill all the holes gently and make sure you do it within less than a minute, because after a minute definitely this POP will begin to solidify and you lose if it solidify in bits. You'll get chokes that are broken. So you make sure you do this faster. After filling all the machine, you then wait. After filling the machine with POP, all the holes, make sure they are full, and you remove the residues or the extra POP on top of the machine, and you wait for only 8 minutes. Remember, if you wait for more than that, you might get difficulties in removing these choke pieces from the machine. After you have waited for 8 minutes, then you can resolve to turning the machine upside down. Of course, after turning the machine upside down, it means you'll put there the tray and push your screw choke out. Make sure your mold is fully lubricated so that this choke can come out faster. So you can see the choke has already come out and there's no piece that has broken, no piece that has remained in the mold. There you remove your choke on the tray and take them for drying. Wait for packaging and your money will be ready. Remember, this machine can produce 200 screw choke boxes, and those are 10 cartons. Each carton holds 20 small boxes, and if you sell these cartons, you can easily make 500 Uganda shillings from this IMM gunmetal machine 800 cavities. This is one of the most profitable businesses you can start today. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe, and if you want to learn and know how profitable this business is, you can check on my next video. Have a nice time. Bye bye.